Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit in Mexc Exchange. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Mexc mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you will be able to see bunch of different options. Now among these options, you will have to tap on deposit, and if you tap on deposit, you will be redirected on the next page where you are going to see all of the cryptos that you can deposit in Mexc Global. Now among these cryptos, you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to deposit over here. So let's say you want to deposit Ethereum, so you will have to tap on Ethereum. After that, you will have to select the network. So let's say you want to get it via BNB Smart Chain, which is BEP20. So you will have to select the network, and here you will be able to see the option of tap to generate address. So you need to tap over here, and then it will show you this type of reminder which says that to ensure your security of deposit, we have sent you a deposit address information on your email address. So over here you will have to tap on cancel, and then you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you can tap on this deposit address, or you can even tap on the share address button in the bottom, and you can share this address on any social media application, and then you can use this deposit address in order to deposit your crypto in Mexc Exchange. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.